Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Bluetooth not connecting on iPhone. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution, you have to turn on Bluetooth. The first step when encountering Bluetooth issue is to ensure your iPhone is transmitting its Bluetooth signal properly. So then you have opened the setting. When you have turned off the Bluetooth, so must be while facing this issue, turn on your iPhone of Bluetooth. Then second solution, you have updated your software to the most recent iOS. Some functions including Bluetooth will not work properly on your iPhone unless your iOS is up to date on your iPhone. Must be checked. Open the setting, click on General, click on Software Update. iOS latest version is available on your iPhone, so must be installed. Then another solution, if you have reset your network settings, so you have opened the setting again, scroll up, then you have click on General, scroll up, click on reset, transparent reset, click on reset network setting, iPhone given a password, then you have enter a password. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset network setting. Then fourth solution, restart your iPhone. Sometimes your iPhone simply need to turn off and on again to fix this issue. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.